Set among towering ancient rainforest in the heart of World Heritage Wilderness is an exhibition that will ignite your senses. Step into another world where art meets nature, where pristine rainforest will relax your mind, and awe-inspiring installations will intrigue and delight. Artists from all corners of the globe will captivate you with works that reflect the beauty of the rich surrounds and add explosions of colour to the pristine environment. Reconnect with nature and experience the stunning beauty of the Blue Mountains like never before. Just 90 minutes from Sydney. Plan your autumn arts escape at Sculpture at Scenic World today. Open April 12 to May 12.